Magh Mela is synonymous with a concept called as tent city. So Triveni Sangam becomes a tent city. So here is an example of a tent. So in the earlier days, there used to be just a rudimentary arrangement of poles and cloth. But now the government has started providing some elaborate arrangements. So here are these tents which are pitched in by the government, and they are these nice small structures for people to come in and stay. And there are a few of these abandoned tents. Let me just take you inside and show what is it like. So we have this straw. This is basically the straw makes up the bed for people to sleep on. So they don't sleep on any bed, they sleep on the floor. And these burnt bricks are used for cooking food. And there are other rules like once a day meals and all these things. So this is the expanse of the city, and as you can see, there are rows and rows of temples nicely lined up. The basic amenities are provided by the local authorities. There is drinking water, there is 24 hours water supply, there is electricity, which is another big step in the direction of giving facilities. There are conveniences, toilet, bathrooms, both for ladies and gents. And along with the places where people stay, I'll just show you, there are people who also provide them with other things like, the basic daily needs. So you will have a tea shop, you will have a person, you'll have people selling all kind of snacks and packets, biscuits. There'll be some vegetable shops like these. They are even selling pulses. Yeah. So this is a food stall selling sprouts. Sprouts is very staple over here. Then we have this guy selling all kind of sweets. Yeah, this is also sweets. And there are people selling clothes also. So a tent city is actually like a mini city. It's a temporary city where people come and stay for a fixed duration of time, that is Kalpavas. This time the Kalpavas will be, that is in 2024, the Kalpavas will be for 54 days. And as I said, this place has not yet come up fully because we have just finished with Makar Sankranti. Makar Sankranti was on 15th January, sorry. And the next bath is on the 24th. Sorry if I'm mistaken. So this is one of the link roads. And sometimes the tent cities also have a nice fencing and a boundary, as you can see in the front. This must be some arrangements for the local police.